What is going on, you guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today is normally my off days. I didn't want to record anything today, just trying to take care of some things off camera, but I figured I'd just take you guys along because kind of take you guys like through a day where I'm doing things that, you know, aren't related to the project cars here on the driveway. Just things that I take care of off camera, like cleaning or running errands and things like that. So I figured take you guys along with me today and show you guys a little bit of the off camera stuff. So today is the only day of the week that I get to hang out with the homie SI, because he lives a busy life of working 2 jobs. So when he gets the day off, when, you know, we kind of just hang out, grab some food and just, you know, shoot the shit. But today we actually have a lot of things to do. Today I'm gonna be doing alignment on this car. I'm gonna be doing alignment on my mom's car. Shout out to Nilo for even opening the shop for me today. We're gonna be switching out the tire to my mom's car, doing alignment, and then that's the tire for Big Bertha. Big Bertha is my tow rig on the other side of the block, and one of the spare tires is popped, so we're changing out the tire on that as well too, so we can drive around with the spare. And then we're gonna what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna clean the side of my house, because I noticed that some of my stuff is kind of leaning on the fence, and the back side of the fence is starting to fall apart. I'm going to the storage unit, grab my bigger totes, the ones that aren't broken, bring it here. I'm going to transfer a lot of the stuff from the broken totes in the backyard into the newer one, and then just reorganize my backyard a little bit. That's really all my day is going to consist of. So right now, food, we out. We're going to be driving this little ass thing right here, and fortunately for us, we actually do fit in it. A lot of people are like, oh, how do you fit in an S2000? How do you fit in a Del Sol? I actually do fit. I have buddies that have S2000s, and I had Del Sol back in the days too. So we went to go check out this car. How long have you had it? 2 weeks?
2 weeks, yeah.
2 weeks. 2 weeks. We went to go tow this thing, and got it for a good ass deal. Easy, quick, simple fix, and now you got a nice little daily beater, huh? Yeah, I don't know about your stereo wirings though, my guy, but I ain't gonna say nothing. I ain't gonna say nothing. So I don't know if you guys know this, but the lowrider Mazda truck that I have has these MR2 seats in it. So this is the same seat, 1985 MR2, and it's actually pretty comfortable. Like, I wouldn't mind finding a pair.
Yes.
Sheesh, my boy. Breakfast of champions or what? Some light? Some light? Hey, light. Like, come on, my guy. Come on, my guy. Okay, so I'm sitting in the seat, right? And look at my foot. It's kind of far away from the pedal, my guy. Look at my arm. It's tall ass fool. God damn. I have to move the seat forward. All the way forward.
Just 6'2".
6'2". You know what else is 6'2", huh? Huh? Not me.
No.
This is like more jam-packed than the CRX, not gonna lie. Come on. Oh, I'm gonna race this Audi, bro. It's fast, bro. Dude, MRQ2 can't take turns, bro. I can take turns. Let's go. I said to roll it. Damn, when you're 6'2", you can just pick anything up, huh? My guy. So this is Big Bertha wheel. It has a shred on the sidewall, and we're gonna be swapping that tire out so we can have a spare. I'm gonna let him drive the CRX. I'm gonna be driving the van, and just makes more sense to drive both cars there instead of driving one, come back, drive the other one back. Don't want Nilo to be sitting in the shop too long, because I mean, he was kind enough to open his shop up for me today, so I'm not trying to have him hang out over there by himself while he waits in between for us to bring 2 different cars at 2 different times. So instead, we're gonna bring them together. Thank you. So in the previous video you guys saw, we did the new upper control arm, we did the new rear camber arm, we did the inner outer tie rod and the boot, as well as the front sway bar bushing. So this side had negative 2.9 degree of camber and the other side had negative 2.3. This side was much more noticeable with the camber like butterflying the wheel in, and I can already tell you that it looks a ton better. So today we're here to correct the toe, and there's nothing we can do about the camber. As long as it's within spec, we should be good. So last time the rear camber kit reading was more negative on the driver's side than the passenger. Now that we have new arms in the back, they're identical. So that's freaking good. Van's up, and not shabby at all. On the van, all those reds are now green. Yawns are contagious, bro. It's too early to be yawning right now. Sheesh. We're not here to look at this. We're here to get them giant totes right there on the top. So we got the totes to clean the side of my house, and I don't think we're gonna do that today. Mondo just hit me up, and we're gonna go see what Mondo's up to and see if we can help him put that LS motor that we got from the junkyard into his CRX to get it up and going again. Because if you guys don't know, well, actually you guys don't know, because I didn't record that day that we were in the junkyard. Herb did. So Herb dropped the video. So my GoPro battery died. Yeah, so Herb was the one who dropped the video where all of us went to the junkyard to help Mondo pull out an LS block. We pulled out a CRV diff and 2 passenger axle. I did drop a video on my channel where we showed Mondo CRX crack the sleeve, and pretty much he pulled the entire swap out. And I told him, I said, you know what, with the new build going on, that'll work, because he has stock exhaust too, so that'll work perfect. So I told him, I said, you know what, let's just get another stock short block into the car and get the car running, so we can start dialing all the all-wheel drive components into the car. And then once the new big built motor is done, then everything is plug and play. So right now we stopped by SI's house, and we're picking up shifter box and cables. He's going to be donating to Mondo, and a stock header for now, just to get the entire set of rolling. So right now we're going to head to Mondo's and see what he get into. This car is powered by what?
Gorilla Grip.
Gorilla Grip.
No power tool.
No power tools here, baby.
Gorilla power. Finally.
Yeah, my guy. When you gotta do things by finger, because you know what I'm saying, this is all we gotta work with. When you don't have a clutch alignment tool, a 10 mil and an electrical tape, gonna align this Iron Man right here. Stock motor with an Iron Man clutch, say less. Gotta clean that off a little bit though. Isai, if you know, you know. So we just ran into a little dilemma. It turns out that the Iron Man is a small spline, and this is an all-wheel drive trans, so it's a big spline. He's been running the cable LS and cable B16. Surprisingly, got the small spline each time that he swapped his transmission. But yeah, definitely going to need a different clutch. But right now, we're just looking for something OE, something used, just to get the ball rolling, because this motor's going to be all motor until the new motor's ready to go. And then he'll buy the new Iron Man from Action Clutch. And you said they have a sprung disc now?
Yeah, they have the sprung disc. I think they just
sprung Iron Man?
Yeah.
Damn, imagine a heavy clutch that's going to feel really soft on the pedal. Say less. So Action Clutch, link in the description below, and use discount code to save 10% off. I think we are done for the night. All right, guys, so we just left Mondo's house. Me and SI, we're still mobbing tonight, and I'm actually going to meet up a guy off of Facebook to buy some tires for my mom's car. They're nearly brand new. They're the size I'm looking for. Neil recommended to swap out the left and the right, because driver's side is wearing on the camber on the inside, and the passenger is wearing on the outside. We did the alignment today in the greens. The car drives perfectly fine, but you can feel the tire like a little wonky. So we're going to be picking up these 2 tires for a good deal, and I'm probably going to return back to Nilo's tomorrow to get the 2 front tires swapped out. And he said that if it still feels weird driving it around, he'll redo the alignment for me. So we're about to meet up with this dude right now, and I don't know, get some food or something?
Yeah.
Yeah. Picked up some tires. Pretty good treads. No cracks or anything on it. 60 bucks for 2. And right now, me and SI about to get some pho. Normal stuff, just homeless people fighting each other. I don't know. All that fuss and commotion. So used to it now. Sometimes it's like pay-per-view to me. Sometimes I just sit here and quiet and just listen to them like argue or fight or yell or going through some demon time. I don't know. But anyways, guys, so we're back here at the house. Ate some pho. I am super stuffed, and I hope I don't pass out on my PC. But anyways, I just want to take you guys like literally through my off days. And off days, you know, sometimes can contain a whole bunch of different things. Sometimes it's just kicking my leg. Sometimes it's just cleaning. Sometimes it's just off camera wrenching, just taking care of some things I may have missed or wanted to do or change or something like that. You guys saw in this video, we kind of bounced around all over the place. We went to go grab some breakfast this morning, and then we went to go do an alignment on the CRX, which I've already shown you guys on the CRX alignment video. I didn't have to show you it again, but like I said, this is the stuff that I kind of do off camera. So went to do the alignment on the CRX. Nothing too crazy with my mom's van. We went to do an alignment on that, and my dumbass got the wheel lock key right here. So I gotta put this in the car so I can go swap the tires out. And then after we got my mom's car alignment done, we came back here. We went to the storage unit, grabbed the totes, which then we were supposed to clean the backyard. Didn't get to that because I decided I want to go see what Mondo was up to. And we were trying to help him in a sense of getting as much stuff he has put into his CRX as possible to get it that much more closer. Because we were just talking like this back half of the day that 2024 is coming around the corner, man. And we're just trying to like, we're trying to make some moves. We're trying to do some doings, man. We're trying to come out. We're trying to have some fun with our whips and stuff, man. We kind of didn't do too much this year, but I'm hoping that next year is going to be better. So what better way to start the year than to have some very, very fun driving cars, right? Ready to terrorize the street a little bit. So unfortunately for Mondo, we had the wrong clutch, and we were missing a head gasket, which they didn't even have one nearby. So because the clutch didn't fit, trans didn't go on, motor didn't go into the car, short block didn't go into the car. It is what it is. But at the end of the day, progress is better than no progress, because now his short block is a lot more complete, and now we know what we need to do in order to make these steps going forward. Came back, ended our day here with some tires from my mom's car and some pho. So I hope you guys enjoy these off days. I don't know if I'm going to record too much of it. It's off days, off camera for a reason. And I hope you guys enjoyed this one. And if you guys enjoy seeing some of these off day stuff, maybe I'll do more of it. I don't know. But if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a thumbs up. And if you guys want to stick around back to the regular scheduling tomorrow for me, the next video for you guys, be sure to hit the subscribe button. But with that being said, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.